Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SiteGround caching for better core web vitals. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SiteGround account. Navigate to the website section on the dashboard. Select the website you want to configure caching for. Click on the Site Tools button for your selected website. From the left sidebar, choose Speed. In the Speed section, locate the caching option and click on it. You will see different caching options available. Start with the Dynamic Cache. Toggle the switch to enable Dynamic Cache if it's not already activated. Dynamic Cache improves loading times for dynamic content on your site. Next, enable Memcached if it isn't already active. Memcached helps speed up database queries by storing frequently accessed data. After that, move on to the Static Cache section. Enable Static Cache by clicking the toggle switch. Static Cache serves cached versions of your static files like images and CSS. To configure the cache settings, click on Settings. Here you can adjust the cache expiration time. A common setting is to set it to 1 week for most websites. Make sure to save your changes after adjusting the settings. Next, clear the cache to apply the new settings. Click on the Clear button to remove any outdated cached files. Once the cache is cleared, test your website's performance. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to check your core web vitals scores. Monitor your site to ensure the changes improve loading speeds. Revisit your caching settings periodically to maintain optimal performance. This will help keep your website running smoothly and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.